Oh my god. No. We have so many people. So much money. This field is huge, just look at it. Today is a really special day because we are actually going to unbox an electric mountain bike. We never had an e-bike before. This is the BK9 from Hitway. Yeah, I'm so excited. WL location, let me know. Sadly, I forgot my unboxing knife, but I have these really tiny scissors right here. Let's open up. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, mamma mia. Bombardino, look. Come on. I did it. Dude, this thing looks kinda nice. Ew. Ooh, what is this? This charger looks exactly like the G2 Master charger. That's interesting. 54 volt 2 amps. Ew. I can see the frame of the bike now. Ooh. This right here is the front wheel. Whoa. That's some really cool handlebars, not gonna lie. This actually looks like a boomer seat. This thing is insanely comfortable. I'm not a big fan of this long thingy. This is such a mess. Let's unbox this box. Oh my god. I'm gonna mess around with this later. I've got a locking mechanism. That's so cool. They offer you so many things. And you also have a toolkit. This is a really nice touch. The bike also comes with a pump and the fenders. Let's assemble the bike. The bike is finally done. Let's get those keys real quick. This is how you get the battery out. This is the entire battery right here. Let's turn the bike on. Whoa. It has 3 levels of assist. This is your shifter. Those are the brakes. Why is it moving? Why is the bike moving? Dude, why is the bike moving? I'm not doing anything and the bike is moving. Why is it moving? Yo, that suspension is kinda soft actually. I have rear suspension. I have to clean all this mess. Let's check Mr. Claw. We've got Mr. Claw! Dude! As you can see, today he's running on the G2 Master. My G2 Master. Should I give him the G2 Master? Look at him! Today is the perfect day to be outside in a ride out. The G2 Master does not even have hydraulic brakes, but he still manages to do such cool wheelies. I should give him the G2 Master. I mean, he's using it more than I do. Woo! Dude, I'm going so fast! Whoa! You actually don't see the real speed on the screen. Whoa, on the same scooter. That's really dangerous, to be honest. Oh my god. Whoa! Dude! We are now going into the forest. Come on! I really want to push this bike to the limit. It's actually been a while since I've been pedaling, so my legs hurt, dude. Come on. Wheel up. He's doing it! W Cloud, dude. They're all saying hi. This is gonna be a good test for the suspensions. Oh my god. Those huge tires. I can't feel a single thing. Also, even though the shifter looks like it shifts insanely well. Jump. Oh, no way. Dude, this bike trail is huge. Nah. What's up? What do you think about this bike?
Very nice.
Very nice. Dude, I'm confused. How many bikes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bikes! And an RC car! Oh my god! Dude, that's so cool! What? Dude, what is this? This is a mini moto or something. Look at this! That's adorable. So he's a professional bike rider or something. He really knows how to ride bikes. What's up? And he's gonna try this bike. The bike looks kinda nice, but I hope he can do some jumps and all that. Look at this bike. Oh my god. Look at this. What? Dude, this guy is a legend right here. W guy. He wants me to try his bike. Okay. Dude, this bike is actually kind of torquey, not gonna lie. Should I do more e-bike content? Thank you so much. What is Cloud doing on that bike? Oh. This is where I'm gonna die. Dude. It's like 2 or 3 meters in the air. That's so cool. Dude, W community right here. I absolutely love this place. All those kids are absolutely amazing. I'm not sure, but I think I kinda broke it. It's making a really weird squeaking sound, but I don't care. That G2 Master is legendary, dude. He's the wildest scooter guy ever, dude. Oh my, I almost fell off that bridge. Oh, Chloe is drifting non-stop. That rear wheel is not even spinning right now. Just look at that. Drift again and again and again. Good thing I can keep up with him on this bike. Go around that. Just look at this. Forest, silence. Not a single problem. Get out there. He's carrying his dog. Okay. That's kind of cool. Those kids are on their scooters in the forest. Oh my god. Dude, this kid was following me all the way here. What's up? We found the Saron kids. What's up? What's up? 2 Talarias, 2 G2s, and 1 G2 Pro, which is kind of dead. No more battery. No. La batteria. No. What is Cloud doing? Nah. That's so dirty. I don't know how to unlock this bike. I want to go faster on it, but I just don't know how. We've got the entire town in here. Dude! What's up? What's up? What? I've got the entire town here. Yeah, new bike, new bike. This guy has a Saron. I remember you. You're the guy who fell. That guy fell. Are you okay, dude? Ooh, the most expensive G4 in the world. WG4, dude. Never mind. It was his G4. We have so many people here. What is happening right now? Ooh. Dude, W Saron. That looks sick. Tire is so thick. Just look at this. We are so many people in here. I am confused. Like, we've never been this many in a ride out before. Oh my god. This kid just said W Saron to my bike. Okay. We've got so many money right here. So many money. Why do they have so much money here? And he's gone. Look at this kid. Whoa. Yo. GT Pro versus GT Monster. Whoa. Yeah, dude. GT Monster is way faster. It's running on 60 volts, but still. Whoa. 60 volts GT Monster versus stock GT Monster. Come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on. Full speed, full speed, full speed. 60 volts, dude. 60 volts. Oh my god. This guy is insane, dude. Those wheelies are too wild. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. What? Oh my god, dude. That was the cleanest shot I ever taken in my life. W wheelies, dude. This kid is insane. They are both wheeling. Just watch this. Whoa. 90 degrees stoppy. Whoa. Dude, we are so many on the street. They're all behind me. Come on, come on, come on. Go faster. Come on. Come on. He does not have an e-bike. No, I'm the slowest one in the gang. We are so many people in here. Dude, why are they fighting? Oh my god. Yo, they're fighting. What's happening? Why are they fighting? What? Yo, why is she angry? Why was she mad? Dude, that's such a cool G2. I love the painting on it. This is the 2025 G2. And I'm also going to review it, so that's fun. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Can I try it real quick? He said yes. Let's try out this sound. Ooh, this is kind of torquey. Whoa. Dude, that's so cool. Full speed. Whoa. Whoa. That's such a cool sound. The chain drive is so loud. Whoa. W Saron. Damn, damn. He just said that he absolutely loves this bike. It looks like a boomer bike with this seat, but it is what it is. What is this paint job? Oh my god, dude. Let's do a GPS speed test. Speed, full speed, full speed, full speed. Come on. I don't know how to make it faster. So apparently that was 29 kilometers an hour. Not bad, not bad for an e-bike. Can someone explain to me how is this guy eating McDonald's every day? And just look at him. He's so skinny. I don't get it, dude. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.